Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to repaint any wood cabinet that you have. A lot of times we move in, we don't want to purchase new cabinets because it's so expensive. If you have wood cabinets with a finish on it, this technique is awesome. They won't scratch off. You can do any paint color. I love white, that's just my preference. I'm going to show you how to achieve the perfect paint finish on your kitchen cabinets or bathroom cabinets.
Items you will need for this project: a drill or a screwdriver, simple green, paper towels, sandpaper or a sand sponge, cabinet door foam and velour rollers, angled paint brushes, cabinet paint, C2 paint. I use Simply White, Paint Hardener, and Zinsser bin primer. I have already removed the cabinet doors and drawers. I also labeled with tape, any type of tape works, which cabinet goes where, so it has the same corresponding number. I am now taking the simple green just to clean off any gunk or dust on the drawers and cabinets. I then go in with steel wool and really rough up all that wood and finish on the cabinets. This is optional, but I also went in with a sanding sponge. I think it allows the paint and the primer to adhere better. I then vacuumed off any dust or debris left over after sanding. And then wiped down the cabinets one more time just to make sure they're prepped and clean. Here I am repeating all the prepping steps that are needed for the built-ins as well. Now we are going in with our Zinsser primer, and we are going to prime all the cabinet doors and drawers. I first go in with the roller, and then I follow up with a paintbrush to get the spots the roller missed. We are also going to prime the built-ins. I put down a trash bag so I wouldn't get anything on the floor. I do the same process with the primer, use a roller, and then follow up with a paintbrush. After we have primed everything, we are going to go in with our paint. We pour in our paint, then we add our hardener. We want to mix it up really well and let it set for about 15 minutes. Here I'm going in with a second coat, and you want to make sure you get both sides of the cabinets and lay them out to where they can dry. After you have finished painting, you reinstall the cabinets and drawers, add your hardware, and you are good to go.
Thank y'all so much. Good luck in repainting your cabinets. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.